What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ynot. You feel me? And my boy got his shit back. You feel me? Woo! Boy, you ain't even thought nothing happened to the bit. The way this bit look, you feel me? Man, got my bit right here. You feel me? You know, we got them supposed to be going to a car meet. We always late, but you know. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we got them make it to the car meet. But right now, you feel me? Hold on. Woo! That shit clean as hell, you feel me? But yeah, I'ma get up with y'all when we get back, when we make it to the car meet, you feel me? I hit up with y'all. So we been at the damn meet. I ain't gonna cap, but I got hungry, so I had to go get Zaxby's, you know, wings and things. You feel me? Sweet and spicy on the tenders too. Best thing ever. You feel me? But excuse me. But yeah, we got all the toys out. You feel me? We got them. The fuck? We go. You feel me? SRT, by the way. Then we got RT, by the way. Then we got the motherfucking Daytona, by the way. And what's this? Audi. We got the Crowd Killer. You got the family pickup truck, you know. You go do some shopping and shit in there. Then you got another Crowd Killer. Then you got a RT. Then you got the Scatty Whack. You feel me? But how much shit I want to say I need another, what's her name? But yeah, so I'm gonna try to record us driving when I leave. Hopefully, you know, it'll look good. If not, y'all might not see it, but I don't know, y'all might not even see this video at all, honestly, because if I don't get enough footage, then it ain't no point. You feel me? But yeah, your boy out here just chilling, eating and shit, and yeah. So I'm gonna hit y'all up, you know, I guess when we get ready to leave or whatever. Alright. So what? Oh God. I guess we finna do. Oh shit.
You just sat on my phone.
Damn. Rookie mistake. Alright now. Alright y'all. We finna goddamn lead the car meet. Shit. What? Alright. But yeah, we finna leave the car meet. Let's see how this goes. You wanna record for me? Yeah. Woo, stinky. There's a lot of smoke back there. You smell that? Rubber. You feel me? If I can't even see shit. But seen a little crowd out there, you know. Expecting a flash though. we finna be at a red light anyway. I did know.
Bully's right there.
Where?
Right here at the gas station.
There goes 12! Yeah. Elevator said, oh, it's time to go! Shit, I ain't gonna care about all of us. Them niggas ain't catching us. But, you know, we ain't gonna do all that. That nigga gone, though. What is he doing?
Y'all, we're going fast.
Shit, now he is. Just playing. We don't run for the police. We don't do that, you know. I don't condone that, you know what I'm saying? It's not safe. It's okay to have fun, but not that much fun. You feel me? But, you know. But yeah. So it is, you know. That shit quiet, but hey, that motherfucker running, you feel me? It's a what is that? Turbo, however you say this shit, it's an Audi though, you feel me? But hey, that bit running. It might be quiet, but you feel me? Alright, I guess I'll catch up with y'all at the next place that we head into or whatever. Yeah, y'all be safe. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the next spot. Goddamn, feel me? My damn camera tweaking, so I had to switch to my phone. Oh God, it's cold. But yeah, we got a whole lot of horses out here, you feel me? It's too much, you feel me? But hey, you know, goddamn, got all this shit out here. Ooh, it's cold as hell out here. Alright, my boy. Yeah. Goddamn. Do this shit. You feel me? But yeah, man. We just out here just chilling, really.
What the fuck is it?
Just be driving. Huh?
What is it?
I don't know. He said something about his girl or something. Yeah. Probably, goddamn.
Hey, y'all ordered those?
Shit. Hell nah. But yeah, I'm finna get some content for my YouTube and shit, so I get back with y'all when I finish. Alright. My baby look delicious. You feel me? Ooh. You feel me? You see that? RT, you gotta represent. What you talking about? But yeah, man, that's my baby right here. Man, I need to, man, so much work I need to do with that car, but just stay tuned and shit. Y'all see the progress of, you know, what I do to this hoe. You feel me? But yeah, we just out here just young and living, goddamn. You feel me? Just trying to stay out of trouble. But that's all we can do. You said what?
You got the Sonic in the window.
Oh yeah, you know, it add 10,000 horsepower. You feel me? At least 10,000, you know. Shit, hey, look, you ain't got the gold one. That shit would have been crazy. But, yeah, man. Trying to goddamn